Once in a small village, there lived a man named Ramesh, a farmer by profession. Despite being hardworking, Ramesh often found himself frustrated and discontent. He would complain about his misfortunes and compare his life to others, thinking they were more fortunate than him. One day, Ramesh's elderly neighbor, Gopal, told him about the upcoming Kumbh Mela. "You should visit, Ramesh," Gopal advised. "It's not just about bathing in the holy river, it's about finding peace and purpose." Skeptical but curious, Ramesh decided to go. He arrived at the bustling grounds of the Kumbh Mela surrounded by sadhus, pilgrims and devotees. The sight of people from all walks of life, rich and poor, young and old, filled him with awe. Each person seemed united by faith, humility and devotion. As Ramesh wandered through the Mela, he met an elderly sadhu meditating under a tree. Intrigued, Ramesh approached him and shared his frustrations. "Why does life feel so unfair? Why do some people have more than others?" The sadhu smiled and replied, "Look around, my child. Here, everyone has come seeking blessings, yet no one is superior to another. The river washes away sins equally for all. Life is not about what you have but how you perceive and use it. True wealth lies in gratitude and kindness." Moved by these words, Ramesh decided to bathe in the sacred waters with a sincere heart. As he stepped into the river, he felt an overwhelming sense of relief, as though his burdens were being washed away. He realized that his constant comparisons and complaints had blinded him to the blessings in his life. When Ramesh returned to his village, he was a changed man. He worked with renewed energy and gratitude, treating others with kindness and helping those in need. He understood that true happiness came not from material possessions, but from inner peace and contentment. Moral of the story: the Kumbh Mela teaches us the value of faith, humility, and gratitude. Just as the holy rivers purify the body, embracing a selfless and contented mindset purifies the soul. Happiness comes from recognizing and cherishing what we have rather than comparing ourselves to others.